Now let me introduce the meanings of the parameters on this screen. It's very simple. It's x, y axis. There are two curves. The first curve is we mean force, and the second is current waves. There are three stages of welding current. At the top, the 3 is current, and the unit is ampere for this type of power supply. Some are kA, and these are the welding times. This is when we call it start times. That means we need to push the foot pedal more than we set, then the power supply can read. This is we mean preload time. Preload time. This is absolute, the current absolute times, and this is the first current welding time. This is the second current welding time, and this is the third current welding time. This is the time of between first and second current. This is the time between second and third welding current, and this is the download, and this is the hold time, and this is end times. In these three are the accurate current we detect. This is resetting current. This is the accurate we monitored. And now we have no load, so there's a little current. And this is status. It contains relay and schedule. This is the current on, and current off. This means single welding and continue welding. And this is a continue mode. We have 4 modes. This is constant current, constant voltage, constant power, and fixed wise. And this is a counter. This is a counter. Here is a group. We have